Okay, so another plot that we can use in Plotly is our violin plot. We've seen this plot already and it works the same here. It's the KDE, the kernel density estimation on one side and then mirror imaged on the other side. We don't have the split option like we do in Seaborn, and that's actually one thing I do prefer the Seaborn version of this a little bit more because I like seeing how the split, choosing the split option true, and we can see how a category is slightly changing the distributions on either side of the violin. I think that's a really good way to look at distributions. Here we can do something a little bit different here. When we have more than two categories, we can actually put the distributions on top of each other. And I think that really just highlights where they're a little bit differently. So we have a different way of getting into the detail of a distribution with this violin plot. So layering our violins, kind of like the sediment in our rocks, putting them on top of each other, can highlight those little subtle differences. I like this effect of putting the data here. It's not exactly a strip plot, but we're putting the data, or swarm plot, sorry, we're putting the data over here on the side, and it gives you a good sense. It would be less helpful if you didn't have the interactivity, but then I can say, oh, I wonder what's going on at this data point right here, and I can have a row of it. And there's actually ways that you can access a lot more information, really the whole row of information on it, so you can really get a good sense of what is this feature, what is sort of observation that you're seeing here. So what's going on with that? And just save you that time from having to go back to your data frame and really inspect it there.